good, YouTube? It's your boy OBOBlake, and I'm back with another banger. In this video, I just want to say what's up with y'all, because I ain't hang out with y'all in a little minute. I just wanted to say I'm good. I just been working. This pool dirty because of the trees, because of the winter. But I want to show y'all my car. I ain't going to get too deep into it. I'm about to show you my car. Let's go see it. Oh, and look. Your boy tatted up. I know you see it. I know you see my tat. But look, I want to come show y'all my car, so let's go. All right, so let's go see what I did in my car. So it used to be something like this. Oh, I know you see the plate, custom plate, YTOBO. I added a spoiler. I added some tail lights. I added Magna flow exhaust. I added reflector lights. I'm about to get diffuser soon, so stay tuned for that. Look at these wheels. I got some new emblems. So I got this Toyota emblem. I want to figure out something different for this. I got this, but I don't know how I'm feeling about that. I got some loafers. I got some of these. I got this. If you want to check out my Insta real quick, Tyson. If you want, look at this tattoo, bro. Man, I'm too hyped with the tattoo. I ain't lying. Look, I got these. This thing, look at it, matches the spoiler kinda. That's cool. I added this. I don't know why I added this, to be honest. Little TRD, because I want to be a little fake TRD type shit. And I added these. It's like DRL lights. I tinted my windshield. It's dark. Okay. I want to get these. I want to get these red. But hold up. Oh, they popping fireworks over there. I had to clean my car today because of that. Let's go on the inside. I added all carbon. Well, this is fake carbon. I ain't lying to y'all. This is fake carbon. This is fake. But I just want all these plastic pieces. I added these shift knobs. Now, this is real carbon. This little shift knob. That's nice. I got this carbon. I need to clean this. Don't mind that. I got to clean it. Oof. And then I got these little red things for the vents. And my back seat's kind of dirty, but I'm about to clean that out. But yeah, this is my car, man. I've been upgrading this, man. I ain't lying. I've been upgrading this thing. Boy, stop playing with me. All I do is work and just upgrade my car because that's all really, that's what I've been up to for the past couple of days. And yeah, but I want to show y'all. Look, I know y'all see this. It's suede. Hold up, man. Look, that's all suede, bro. Me and my dad did this. We about to do this one and the one back there. And then I'm getting someone today actually to. This is why I'm making this video, because I want y'all to know what I'm doing to this car today. Today, I'm so excited, bro. Today is the day to get all this. This is going to be dyed black. This is going to be dyed suede. Well, not dyed. This is going to be sueded. And then I'm going to get stars on my car, bro. So, whenever I get the stars, I'm going to come back and catch up with this camera. And then we're going to see the stars together, bro. What's good, YouTube? I'm finally back. It is now Thursday. I should have showed you yesterday, but I got my car back yesterday late. But yeah, look how she's sitting. Man. Let's go show y'all. I want to show you my interior, bro. I gotta show you the interior is done. The interior is done. Look, I'm gonna show y'all, so let me flip the camera. All right, just in case you forgot, bro, let me show you these lights. Ooh, I know you see me. That one, that little freaking reflector light's going out. But look, don't worry about that. But let's go in here. Let me show you that. Oh, the red seats. Look at the, I know you can't see it. You can't see it as much, but it's black suede. I'm gonna show you probably a better picture in the morning, but look, peep me out. Peep me out, you ready? You ready? I know you probably can't even see me right here. You probably cannot even see me, but look, I'm about to turn up. Oh, shoot. I know you see me with the stars. Ooh, that boy got stars on the roof like a rose.
Man, shut your bitch ass up.
I had to turn on the light a little bit. I know it's, but your boy got stars, man. I finally got my stars. I've been wanting stars forever, bro. Finally got them. So I basically made this video to tell you I'm gonna come back this year, start fresh, start for real this year, and get on my stuff, because I really enjoy making these videos. I might start filming some car stuff. I can't believe I finally got stars, bro. Your boy made it, boy. He got stars on the roof, man. Like a Rolls Royce, bro. I'm so happy, bro. As you can see, I'm happy. Man, I cannot wait. Bro, look at the stars, bro. Man, boy got stars. Stop playing. Man, yeah, but that's about it, bro. I just wanted to tell y'all a little update on my video. I mean, update on my car, man. I don't even know how to speak, but look. Just know I got stars. Man, I'm happy, bro. But tune in and let me know what y'all want to see, bro. I might do some pranks. I might do some pranks on my channel, man. Man, I don't even know how I look at the camera. I keep looking at my stars, bro. But look, I'm about to do some pranks on my channel. I'm about to drop some merch. My aunt actually made me this for Christmas. This is some slight she designed. But yeah, I'm about to make some hoodies for myself. I mean, if y'all want some, y'all can just hit me up on Instagram, which is OBOBlake. It'll be somewhere, I guess right here maybe. But yeah, I'm back. I'm gonna try to be back this whole year, you know, post time here and there. But I really enjoyed doing this. I hope y'all like this video. Subscribe and let me know what y'all think about the stars, bro. I'm about to get some new headlights too, bro. The Lexus style RGB headlights. They about to be put in by the end of when this video's up. My headlights is gonna be on my Instagram, so y'all checking with that. So, yep, your boy got stars. All his stuff is all black now. All the pieces are black. I'm excited, man. But until next time, I'm out.